Good morning and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on the Camaro SS project, and we're going to be putting the oil cooler block off plate on. We're going to be putting adjusting the shifter rod linkage. I'm going to put some oil in it, and we're going to get it started up today, hopefully. So that's what I'm planning on doing in this video. But at first, of course, I got to do some tasks for my wife, and then I'm going to go and get to the Camaro project. So let's get to the video. Okay, heading up there to work on the Camaro. All right, so we're just getting to the Camaro. Like I said in the intro, that hopefully I'm going to start it up today. This is a used engine basically, so we're unsure if this engine's going to run or not. The guy showed me a video of it running in the vehicle that he took it out of, but you know how people can be, so we're hoping that the engine actually runs good. We're going to put some used oil in it. I got some oil from when I just changed the oil out of my truck, so I'm going to put some used oil in it just to get it fired up, and if it runs good, then we're going to change the oil, put some new oil in it. We just don't want to put no new oil in it if not knowing the status of the engine right now. So that's what we're going to do. And keep in mind also that it's open headers, so if it does run, it's going to be a lot louder than normal. Alright, so let me go ahead and get back on my trip to go up there. Alright, just put the oil cooler block off plate on there, which is right here. Now I got to put on my shifter rod, and here it is right here, just hanging. It goes right there, and I might have to take it off because it seems to be bent, so I'm going to take it off and get that there. The transmission is in park already, so I'm going to go ahead and straighten this out some, and then I'll put it back on. Okay, got the shifter rod out, and I need to take this large band out of it. The small one is okay. I think it's the large one that's causing the issues. So I'm just gonna go and find something to stick it in, and
that's what she said.
bend it out some. Oh man, I bent that perfect. Look at the fit. Slides right in there. Look at it from this side. Alright, getting ready to pour this oil in. Alright, get up under there and check it for leaks. Make sure we ain't got no leaks. Don't see any leaks, so Guess we're about ready to try to start it up. Okay, I'm getting ready to try to start the Camaro for the first time. Turn the radio down. Nothing. Alright, so I may have a ground or something that's loose. Pretty sure the car is in gear. Alright, so let me troubleshoot some grounds. Okay, going to work back on the Camaro again. The key, we did a key reprogram. The key reprogram didn't work, so I've been searching some forums and stuff, and it looks like it may be that I have a loose ground somewhere, or something's not grounded like it's supposed to be. So I'm going to go through it. In this video, I'm going to go through and reground everything, make sure all the grounds are good, and try to get it started, because that's the only thing that is showing. The security light is not blinking, so it's not security, so it has to be a ground or something. So that's what I'm going to try to do in this video. So I'll turn the camera back on when I get up to where the car is. Okay, I'm back from trying to troubleshoot what's going on with the Camaro not starting. And I got a little frustrated with not figuring out what was going on, so I didn't get a chance to record me trying to figure out ground wires or going through the wires. So I just want to give you an update. So basically, tried to figure out what was going on, cannot figure out why the car won't start with the key. What I did do though, we were able to jump it from the engine and sprayed ether in it to get it to run a little bit, but basically it's not getting any power from the ignition to the starter, and the fuel pump is not coming on, so that's why it's not running. But we were able to get it to start up for a little bit and run a little bit by using ether and jumping it from the engine. So I don't know what wire was cut when they ripped the engine and everything out. So we took the car to a guy that said that he can figure out that it should be something simple, so he's going to figure it out. So hopefully it's not going to be gone very long. Hopefully this doesn't turn into like the CTSV project, which is still being worked on. I just ordered some parts for the CTSV. I ordered the condenser and heat exchanger. That's what the guy needed. So he's still working on it. He's getting closer now. That's the last two parts that he needed. So, but back to the Camaro. Hopefully the Camaro get done fairly fast. That's all that's left on it. And I'll come back. As soon as I get the car back, we'll come back and we'll continue to update this video. So if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.